What's up, everybody? So today we'll be getting ready the rest of the parts for the Supra, taped and painted. We got the doors, targa, quarter ducts, rear bumper, it's over there. I think that's it. We got everything else painted. Let's get to work. .180 grit. Knock down the orange peel. That's the Franco. For curved areas, you want to use a block like this, curved so it contours with the shape of the bumper. We'll go with that 400 right there. Go with the 400. And there you go. That this piece we're going to do pretty much all by hand. $180. And she's done. That's what we use for inside the doors. Scotch Brite, very fine. want it looking like compared to this one. Shiny? Not shiny. Very much that's how you want it to look for paint. And then do the next one. Before and after. So now we'll go ahead and tape the windows and the inside of the door. And the doors are done. We're gonna set up brackets for the mirrors. Everything is ready and taped. Now we'll put it in the booth and start painting. Now we wipe everything with waxing grease remover and start painting.
Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far. Dragonfly, just grab my hand from him sin.
Now we wipe it with a Tech cloth and put the sealer